What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, The Smoking Beard here with another self-help video. Today I will be unboxing and setting up the Yard Force 22-inch 3-in-1 rear wheel self-propelled lawnmower. If you're in the market for a new lawnmower, stick around. This might be the one for you. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the latest and greatest content from my channel. Real quick guys, I am an affiliate or partner with multiple companies including Walmart, Amazon, and Thermoworks. If you use any of the links to purchase anything, it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Now that the legal stuff is out of the way, let's get into this. The only tool that you'll need that isn't included is a knife or box cutter to open up the packaging. Open the box from the bottom instead of the top. It makes unpacking way easier. Just lift the box and you're good to go. What you'll find inside the box is the lawnmower, of course, the instruction manuals, the grass bag, a bottle of motor oil, clips, the side discharge chute, the lower handlebar, and of course the main handle. Step 1. Attach the lower handlebars. Use the handle knobs and bolts to secure it. Lift the mower using the quick adjust handle to create space for the bolts. Insert the bolts from the outside in. They are machined to fit flush against the mower. Hand tighten as much as possible. This part of the handle does not move. Step 2. Attach the main handle. Connect the main handle to the lower handlebar using the two quick release levers. Insert bolts from the inside out and install both before tightening. Adjust to your preferred height, then tighten all the way. Make sure the levers are facing the correct way. I had to readjust mine. Step 3. Secure the cables and start cord. Use a cable clip to fasten the cables neatly. Pull the engine start cord and thread it through the holder on the side. I originally threaded it wrong. It actually goes over the lower handlebar. If you make this mistake, just unscrew the quick release bolts and redo. Step 4. Assemble the grass bag. Snap the plastic flaps over the metal frame until they click in place. Step 5. Add the oil. Pour the entire bottle of oil into the oil opening. One cool feature is that you never have to change the oil. Just check the levels and top it off as needed. A little tip here. Check your oil at least once a year and top it off. More frequently if you're going to be using it for commercial purposes. Now this lawnmower has 3 cutting modes: side discharge, mulching, and bagging. To use it as a side discharge, this means that your grass clippings will be shooting out the side. For this to happen, you need to install the side discharge chute and make sure that the bag plug is in place at the rear. If you want to mulch, this means that the grass clippings are finally cut and returned to your lawn. To put it in this mode, you have to remove the side discharge chute, but keep the bag plug installed. And the last one, of course, is bagging. You want to collect the clippings in a grass bag. In order to do this, you need to remove both the side chute and the bag plug. Attach the grass bag and you're ready to mow. I really like this quick height adjustment bar. It has 7 settings. The lowest setting has minimal clearance, and the highest setting, which is number 7, provides maximum clearance. My personal preference, the highest setting all the way. And that's it. Unboxed, assembled, and ready to mow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.